Parasites are remarkable organisms that live in or on other creatures, often relying on their hosts for survival. What makes them truly fascinating is their ability to manipulate the behavior of their hosts in unexpected ways. Some parasites can alter a host's actions to increase their own chances of spreading or reproducing. These subtle yet powerful influences reveal a complex web of interactions in nature. Exploring the world of parasites uncovers just how interconnected and surprising life can be. Parasites are organisms that live on or inside another host, deriving nutrients at the host's expense. Unlike predators, parasites typically do not kill their hosts outright, as their survival relies on the continued well-being of the organism they inhabit. Many parasites have evolved sophisticated strategies to manipulate their hosts, altering behavior, physiology, or even immune responses to create a more favorable environment for themselves. This intricate relationship highlights the remarkable ways in which parasites adapt to ensure their own survival, often at significant cost to their hosts. In nature, some parasites have evolved remarkable strategies to influence the behavior of their hosts. One striking example is Toxoplasma gondii, a microscopic parasite that infects rodents. Once inside a rodent's brain, Toxoplasma can diminish the animal's natural fear of predators like cats, making it more likely to be caught and eaten. This behavioral change benefits the parasite, as it can only complete its life cycle inside a cat. Such examples highlight the complex and sometimes surprising ways parasites can manipulate animal behavior to ensure their own survival. The lancet liver fluke has a remarkable and complex life cycle that involves multiple hosts. After hatching, its larvae first infect snails, where they develop and are eventually released in slime balls. Ants consume these slime balls, becoming the parasite's next host. Once inside the ant, the fluke manipulates its behavior, compelling the ant to climb to the top of grass blades and remain there during the night. This increases the chance that a grazing animal, such as a cow or sheep, will eat the ant, allowing the fluke to complete its life cycle in the liver of its final host. The hairworm is a remarkable example of a parasite that manipulates its host's behavior to ensure its own survival. Once inside an insect, such as a cricket, the hairworm gradually alters the host's instincts, compelling it to seek out water. This is a dramatic shift, as many of these insects would normally avoid water to prevent drowning. However, under the hairworm's influence, the insect plunges into the water, allowing the mature parasite to emerge and continue its life cycle. This extraordinary strategy highlights the complex and sometimes unsettling ways parasites can control their hosts. Parasites are known to affect not only the physical health of their hosts, but also their behavior. One of the most intriguing examples is Toxoplasma gondii, a microscopic parasite that can infect humans. Research has suggested that Toxoplasma may be linked to subtle psychological changes, potentially influencing mood, risk-taking, and even certain mental health conditions. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, these findings highlight the complex ways in which microscopic organisms can interact with the human brain. Understanding these connections could offer new insights into both infectious diseases and mental health. Parasites have evolved remarkable strategies to influence the behavior and physiology of their hosts. Some parasites can alter brain chemistry, releasing compounds that affect neurotransmitters and change how a host thinks or acts. Others manipulate hormone levels, disrupting normal bodily functions to create conditions more favorable for the parasite's survival or reproduction. These biological mechanisms allow parasites to control their hosts in subtle or dramatic ways, often increasing the chances of transmission to new hosts. Such adaptations highlight the complex and sometimes unsettling relationships found in nature. Parasites that manipulate the behavior of their hosts gain significant evolutionary advantages. By altering host actions, these parasites can increase their own chances of survival and reproduction, often ensuring they reach the next stage of their life cycle. This manipulation can influence entire ecosystems, as affected hosts may interact differently with predators, prey, or their environment. Over time, such interactions can shape population dynamics and even drive evolutionary changes in both hosts and other species within the ecosystem. The existence of mind-controlling parasites challenges our understanding of the natural world, revealing just how intricate and interconnected life can be. These organisms demonstrate that survival often depends on remarkable adaptations, some of which blur the boundaries between species. Their influence over host behavior highlights the subtle and sometimes unsettling strategies that have evolved over millions of years. Ultimately, studying these parasites not only deepens our appreciation for the complexity of life, but also reminds us that nature is full of surprises, many of which remain to be discovered.